Ghana ni ono na sebe cool no koso wa na ho be kire no ono so fo aso ya twere placard amano oni passport enne ntokwasin kran kura na yaka so wonfa ka enkodi kuromu a so obi amano lole fe a ontumi nko ono mbom ena ya bopo edi a sheni trim ene ye dada no na opportunity abeto ho ama wo MPP ni say bredi monko kamasem obi a sorry a obi a go position obi a sorry a obi a go post obi a sorry a obi a go lobby obi a sorry a now when you say position now o call lobby no it comes with a responsibility and once your responsibility gets bigger, how much more time do you really have to communicate? It's just a few people who can multitask, say, obey your communication. I'm a party saying holding the office correctly. Because time while you hear say, Nkaobe tu kwa yako could say, Mama does say NDC for ne. But maybe a NDC for ne. Maybe a moto crane to me come. A whole normal nam. A whole normal nam. And almost 2 foot through it do sebi and mukrase for name. The nim and the 11 no see can edge will be sort of say you are taxing capital. How the fuck are you taxing capital when you the same people is telling me say you are using that to pay for a merchant you did and your business now there? Is that your capital? Just say MDC for there anything to just score political cheap point. Almost sorry, almost say they are taxing your capital. Olivia, how are you taxing the capital? Capital, I don't know what the year you was you are taxing profit. How are you taxing profit? You are using that profit to do another business. You find say Mediga, many 100,000 Ghana cedis. 100,000 me the idea me say the diga me the ye business for fro. Was the same business now me this is can any day. My me tax also. I didn't here because me the capital never ye man what say me tax into the many day like just say train Ghana for any be so and then you have real performance on your economies you almost see so much economy no almost see no support to say we say a double taxation. Obi to make us say, oh, tria no le fair no. The driver ne koto petrol no. Ye taxi ninti no. Ye ne fair na driver no. The account what like such foolishness. Then we have people like ono no say or ye NDC for economic guru. Adongo not such a man or that then Gyimifuo nim said ya mo ken ye tro. In any case, yes, a sending fee and case a receiving fee. Yes, sending into me send there and me do says cano. I feel yes, and I me send there me jiska and I me receive me and I jiska. I buy so and casa, levy buy and casa. Levy buy yankasa utia ubetia na o sa just so it's never in the document. And can document no. And can't document no baby and so say your communications apparatus na break it down. Make I say levy by member started me session could say me chiri with me little economic knowledge am wo am me chiri no na still a party for aka no atu utu me hu MPP no so a communicator or kotina TV3 on chiri mu a no wa de akohwe poto MPP communicator or continue radio so offer and benefit no see so your communicator 11 chiremu keke no ni entumi nchirem na profu de nam ase na profu twantro fa ase na profu twantro fa ase. How on earth Madam Comforter said you are welcome me person be so be a question no. How do you tell me say obi a double tax okay makoye adwuma menya misika me discount your business for fraud. Side business also your business. It is a venture. It is a transaction going on. Also, since I have tell me first in into the next one, me and me. However, now uni maybe. The people who fight this, no, they be do can you. Uni say, why you to marry? You to marry no. Oh, you to marry no. You tell tax. That you are who say my woman. What do we see can I be fee now? We say, Okoto petrol, ubetu ya tax. Afe we say, Ukudija. Says the cana ye tell tax we remember now. We see Ukudija so ama me pay. Yes, I tell tax. Yes, I'm doing very good, and I miss you too, Madam Juliet. Okay? Now, Tia, what say? I feel the where do we pray? Where do we pray? Dear, you are now going to just buy, snacks. Say, be a convenience store, Akuffo snacks, Edia Brewumba, and also Okoha, your tax, also. In this, I will catch them and say, you are paying double tax there. Now what's here, Bruchira? Now, two things, pet. Utrimu ne tema on my say, oh my becoso. And I said, they are all canon. On Tia said, they said, they are Dr. Ren. By the way, Dr. Ren, welcome. Utie. Because some of you people live in countries where you are paying taxes and you sit there now only baby afraid you to me push your more say tax no to me chili mama say and a tax no how much idea no more day. Yes, that is how they are. Into the young fan say see median mama yani omonya adwene say yenye kwan bia wo Ghana da yenfa Ghana tax both NDC and MPP omo use Ghana tax and find the pada you yate. Now, finally, Ghana also open transparency government. When your government be Abba, government and say, me pese wutuya seska we mame, seska we ya wutuya de mame we no. Every quarter, Bronica quarter, just 4 months, meboa. Every quarter biya no, meba be yeden, meba be chiro sika dodo ayaje, diaye, any baby ayedu. Ghana ni monchira me abanya. Or no to me, yes, I did with my Ghana that which government was bold enough to tell you, say, and that the tax we are making, and she said down on say, every quarter be a member sika matching, and then the media was no more today. That is not rather a good government. A baby walk by a Ghana, you go ready budget, and the man say you got to you got to electricity, you got to lolly you got to document. That is all we knew about budget reading. Ni enim kura se budget no so e de niama aban ne pese o ye de e de gu akwan mu na aban bi abaga na fritete ye be 65 years vaccination who be ye din ye nya aban bi say on the outside world no team up together na ye develop vaccines in Ghana yes so ye vaccines in Ghana e was be sa budget reading ye call ye mu ye ne ye chemical companies ye wo Ghana NS chemist normally Ghana owned chemical if we how many abrofune bekabum I develop vaccines in Ghana was a sa buying a budget in monye not Dr. Ren boy I was yes winning nyansa now what do my Ghana Sikenti wadani Gyimifuo ababetne bruchiri ene wu Gyimi na nkokonam ena wowe because Dr. Ren say wunye Gyimifuo na se nyansa wo dirima menu abema. How do you tell me say you want the country to progress? You let the country progress. How does the country progress? You have to put in things and measures that will make the country progress. All right. One government comes, the budget, and I hope you know what budget is, Dr. Ren. Every year budget passed, they went what we call supplementary budget. And I want you to go do this research and come tell me. From 2012 to 2016, every budget BR NDC for ye BR no. Omokoche supplementary budget. Ma me papa, mo aborofunu mo ayidu amamo no. Supplementary budget kire say me aban maka kire Ghana for say me nya 100 million na me de abomo ho bra the whole year. Afinu kodu mfinfin a mo sisika na sa. Enti age se mo ma ye bi to aso anye sa ye ntumi mari ye na nye den ende. And most of the budget supplement always comes during the mid-year review. Mid-year review no finance minister eko parliament no akọ kire so far the ayaye any baby ayedu enti said Dr. Ren and asefo economic freedom fighters no sam papa say enyo mafu adwuma no mo ye na so mo do Ghana no mo pese Ghana kosora eye den na abanya waba Now from 2012 to 2016, every budget be our supplementary budget because sika or cars or best spend no utune sreni abasa edi mesika no onfa nye adwuma enti June ndu ayenkoye media review no na se tepe e de asen abeto say please we need a supplementary budget. Dr. Ren and his Fix the Country and these little freedom fighters are telling us say they prefer a budget here and I say a government here or budget a budget here could in the basa as a budget supplementary budget than the government has since 2017 till now on budget supplementary. Go and check and come and shame me. Go and check and come and shame me. You are an economic freedom fighter. You